You make me wait when I rather not. I lack the patience to sit here and crave. Your disposition causes me such offense as I wait and wait and wait and wait for something other than casual indifference. A girl appreciates polite persistence. Would it be right if I had nothing to say as I wait for days and days and days? You drive me lonely, oh so lonely. You make me lonely, and you go. You drive me lonely, oh so lonely. You make me lonely, and you go. Apparently fortune favors the bold. I think perhaps maybe I'm breaking the mold. For this position is so pleasantly cruel as I wait and wait and wait for you. Futility lies in my resistance. Was judging to please pass your sentence. Some people say you're out of order, my friend, and I can't pretend to reprove them. You drive me lonely, oh so lonely. You make me lonely, and you go. You drive me lonely, oh so lonely. You make me lonely, and you go. I don't think I have had enough of you yet. I can't accept that's all I'm going to get. This little habit is not easily shared as I try and try and try to forget. This shocks me just as much as it shocks you. I've broken my secret 13-hour rule, so I'll deny you the thrill of the chase as I wait.